A warm welcome to one and all present here. Today, we are going to discuss about our signals and system mini project, and our topic is automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. And our mentor is Mrs. M. Shakunthala. Now I'll welcome our team members. Our team leader Shushmita S. 111521104153. Myself Varsha L. 111521104167. Trisha P. 111521104160. Subhadra G. 111521104148. Now, let me give the brief introduction about our topic. In time in times like today, personal hygiene has become a big topic for all. It is considered very important, and people do a lot to maintain it for their own safety. To ensure the same, automatic hand sanitizer dispensers are widely used by a lot of people. It is so because this product reduces the rate of exchange of germs and diseases from one person to another. An automatic touchless hand sanitizer dispenser is essential in every washrooms, whether personal or commercial. This is due to the fact that this mission allows consumers or the users to easily get hand sanitizer without having to touch anything. An automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, as the name implies, allows for entirely automated operation. This form of operation does not need any human interaction with machine for it to function properly. This helps to create a more sanitary and secure atmosphere. Now I welcome our teammate Trisha to continue this.
Need for automatic hand sanitizer. The COVID 19 pandemic has increased awareness about personal health and hygiene. Wearing a protective face mask, maintain social distancing, frequent hand washing with soap or hand sanitizer are few steps to stay safe in the pandemic period. Sharing as well as mass use of sanitizer bottles may lead to the spreading of coronavirus, so an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser at public places like industries, offices, and schools becomes a practical way to provide safe and touch free hand sanitization. A hygienic lifestyle is important for your health. A lot has changed in the last 2 years that have significantly impacted our hygiene habits. With infectious disease still affecting people globally, proper sanitization is a priority. Shaking hands or touching random objects is not safe anymore. Hand sanitizers are a great way to safeguard from coronavirus and may other contagious diseases. However, a manual sanitizing dispenser still increases the risk of infection simply through touch. Hence, automatic hand dispensing for sanitizers is a must have at every office and public space to avoid contamination and contact dependent spread of diseases. Automatic touch free hand dispenser are beneficial for a variety of reasons. Decreasing the spread of contact dependent diseases. Touch free dispensers have proximity sensors, so they can detect the movement of your hands and pour the right amount of sanitizer accordingly. Touch free means you don't have to press any button or push down the dispenser tube to sanitize your hands. All you need is to stand in front of the automation and place your hands below the nozzle. This erases the necessity of touching the sanitizer container and adds to the safety of the end users. Dispensing an optimum amount of sanitizer. Automatic touch free dispensers are calibrated to release the optimum amount of product at one go, and you will have enough sanitizer to rub onto your hands and or go for another round if required. This automation protects against the loss of excess product that happens in the case of manual dispensers. Additionally, applying more pressure on the bottle will cause spills, and if the pressure is low, you will not get enough sanitizer to sanitize your hands.
Now I welcome Subhadra to continue this.
Increasing usability. People generally avoid using manual sanitizer dispenser in public spaces due to the increased risk of contamination. If you have a touch-free dispenser, people will feel more comfortable using the automation. The risk of contact dependent spread is removed and sanitizer usage can keep everyone safe and healthy. Providing easy installation and maintenance. The installation of the automated touch-free dispenser and maintenance is quick and efficient. There are no tedious cleaning routines. The unit comes with screw sets or adhesive for quick mounting along with low battery or low liquid indicator for alerts when changing of batteries or product refilling is required. Components needed for this project: IR sensor 1 com resistor 1, tip 32 PNP transistor 1, DC water pump 1, USB cable.
Now I welcome Sushmita to carry.
Working of this project. When you place your hand in front of the IR sensor will give an output signal on the data pin, and that data pin is connected to the transistor signal pin. The signal from the IR sensor will turn on the transistor that will turn on the water pump motor, which will provide you the sanitizer. Till the hand is present in front of the IR sensor, the water pump motor will remain turned on. When you remove your hand from the sensor, the IR sensor will not give any signal and the water pump will turn off. This is the circuit diagram of the automatic hand sanitizer. Here we have connected a IR sensor, a transistor and a water pump to a USB cable.
Now let us see what are the components required for our project, which is IR sensor, tip 32C PNP transistor, a water pump, and a voltage regulator of 7805 and a USB cable for the power supply. Now let us understand the circuit diagram and the connections. Here we take the IR sensor, and the out pin of the IR sensor is connected to the third pin of the tip 32C PNP transistor with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and we connect the ground of the IR sensor to the USB cables negative, and also we also connect this with the negative of the water pump and and the first pin of the voltage regulator. Now let us see the connections of VCC in the IR sensor. The VCC is connected to the positive of the USB cable, and then the VCC is connected to the first pin of the transistor. Now let us see the live demonstration of our project. The connections are given as per the circuit diagram. Here we have a voltage regulator. Here we have a voltage regulator, and this is this is tip 32C PNP transistor, and this is a IR sensor. Inside this inside this we have a liquid hand sanitizer, and inside this we have the DC water pump. Now, and this side we have a 10 volt battery. Because of this 10 volt battery only, we have connected the voltage regulator to give the constant supply of 5 volt to this IR sensor. Because if we give more than if the input power supply is more than 10 volt, this might damage our device. So that only we are using a voltage regulator. Now let me show the live demonstration. When I bring my hand in contact with the IR sensor, the hand sanitizer comes automatically. Till then, my hand is in contact with the IR sensor, the sanitizer comes. When I move my hand away, it stops automatically. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.